please, Mr. Brotherton.
Good morning. My name is John Brotherton. I live at 255 Cascade Drive in Closing. First, I'd like to thank all the commissioners for coming to the Closing events of the weekend. It was really encouraging to have you come out and give support for the opening of the park and the dedication and the celebration of our progress so far. But I really came today to talk about a problem. As you know, I've been a critic of some of the management policies of the health department. I want to tell you about, and as such a critic, I sometimes hear things that you may not hear. I will tell you about Jane. Jane's not a real name, but she's a real person. Jane is the mother, a single mother of 2 children. She works as a secretary, but she can't raise her family on that salary. So for the past several years, she supported herself as a food vendor at many of the summer events in Jefferson County. To get that ability, she has had to get a food vendor permit. So she applied for the permit, $25, and for the season, and an inspector would come out and check her equipment and make sure that she knew the rules for safe food delivery. Several years she's done that. It would take a short visit, 15-20 minutes, because it's a very small one-person operation. When she applied this year, she's told the fee was now $98 per event. Now, she doesn't make a lot of money on these things. At Port Hadlock Days last year, she's worked 11 hours and made $121. She can't afford $90 per event. It's driving her business. So she simply is out of it. Now, when I heard this, it shocked me. It shocked me because I was at the health board meeting in December when you adopted the current fees. And I heard the environmental manager stand up and present those fees to you and tell you 2 things. He told you that this was the same fees as last year, and that it's their policy to charge no more than it actually costs you to work. Now, it's more than policy. That's state law. RCW 7805 that provides the authority for the health board and the health department to operate. Section 060, paragraph 7 says the health board can charge fees with permits provided that they do not exceed the actual cost of providing the services. Later on, it provides that violation of the statute is a crime. It's a misdemeanor. Okay? You were deceived. You enacted these fees thinking that there was no change and that these were actual costs. Now, if she goes to 1 event, that's a 400% increase in cost over last year. Probably those are not actual costs. It's probably more. If she goes to 5 events, that's a 2,000% increase. From what I saw, the health board deceived you. If I was her attorney and I was going to try to fight this in court, the first thing I would do is file a criminal complaint against each member of the health board and the senior management of the health department because you apparently violated the law. And then I would file a civil suit for tortious interference with business. And the attorney filed it would then get their fees from the proceeds of the...
Thank you very much, Mr. Brotherton.
Please address this.
Who would like to be next?